Welcome back, everybody. So, a review session of the strategy that we used in the morning. Today in the morning, I taught you Ichimoku. So, how has your day gone, guys? I can see Manzoor here, Santosh here. Serious ones are here now, back after the morning session. So, how much profit have you made so far? So, how's your profit going on? We worked on the DBA, Express. Okay, great. So that's good. Everybody is in profits here. Sheikh has made 3,300, 3,000 rupees. That's nice here. And this Ichimoku that we learned in the morning. So how is my day going on? Remember the trades we took in the morning, and out of them, 4 trades were according to DVA strategy, and 2 are as per Ichimoku's, and this one worked well. I booked a profit of about 6,991 rupees on this one. So this one went very positive. Then I was, based on the analysis, I was trading the Ichimoku's today, and most of my trades I booked when Nifty was about 45, 50 points now. And only one trade is left now, this one. And here I booked a profit of about 40,000 rupees on this. That's the profit I booked. And in the other account that I was trading, remember, we had this 3 trades that we took as per the Ichimoku strategy. And here in this, I booked a profit of 2,331 rupees. And I also took some futures trade according to the strategy. And here I booked a profit of about 23,434 rupees here. So the strategy worked, and it will not always have profits. If you see, I also booked a loss of 9,200 rupees on Reliance, which did not go according to the strategy. That was a trade that I had initiated yesterday. But I have booked most of my profits now in this, and we will review a little more on the market. So far it works. It works in intraday, it works in swing. So far I have made 23,434 plus, let's see here, about 2,331. That is 25,765 in this account. And if I go to the other account, here I have 6,991 plus, roughly about, in this account, about 4217. Total 72,973. So this is the profit I have today. So, and you see, this is what happens. Let's learn one very important thing here. Remember, we had this, we had 11 consecutive winning days I had, in which I made 2,96,000 rupees. But the probabilities will catch up. I booked a loss day before yesterday. I booked a 13,000 rupees of loss yesterday. And when losses happens, it doesn't feel good. But you will have to still, book them. That's very important to know that losses have to be booked so that next day you can again go with your set of rules. And today I can add now. So about 72,900. 72,973 to be exact here. So 11th October 512. Let me log this. Today is Wednesday. Intraday in trading room. What were we trading today? We were trading Nifty, Bank Nifty. What else were we trading today? Lupin. We were trading LT. What else, guys? What are the other stocks that we were trading today? We'll also have a look at the commodities. Kotak Bank, Kotak Bank. Infi. I wanted to talk about Nifty today. That's why. So this is LICHF, good. LICHF. So this is the main stocks that we were working on. And today I had a big profit. Whenever I make more than 50,000 rupees in profits, 72,973. So now in the last half an hour or 20 minutes of the market, should I take a lot of risk and try to increase this? No, absolutely no. That's very important to know that whenever you have a good day, don't carry it till tomorrow. Even my Larsen and Toubro, which was a swing, I was getting a good profit. I booked it. Okay. So this month now, overall, I have become 1,04,359. 1,04,359. So it is about a 10% that I have reached now this month. One big profit day can take you far. Fine. So I have a good day. So 2 days I lost 19,000 rupees. Today I made 72,000. Success rate 33%. Good profits. This is the power of risk management. Anshu said so. Thank you. L&T gave me 8,500 rupees. Congratulations, all those who made profits. But it is important to know that you also have to book your planned small losses. Now let's go and analyze the Nifty. Nifty is important to look at now. I'll go away from the Ichimoku chart. I'll go to the regular chart. Santosh, thanks to all your teachings. No, thanks to all of you who work hard, learn, and then come here. Those who learn, they earn. I always say. Anyway, let's get out to the market now here. If I see the market today, remember, yesterday we had marked our Fibonacci. We were talking about this yesterday. And what happens with a liquidity-driven market? The market will always overshoot a little. And this is what the market done. Has the market finished and filled the first gap? Yes or no? Is the first gap filled? Yes, quickly. I have people who have come back in this session. Great. So it has filled one gap. And now the gap I'm actually looking at where it can drop down to. We are an expensive market. We are in a liquidity driven expensive market having a PE of about 25.7. Since 2000, in the last 17 years, do you know, it is only 3 times that the PE of the Nifty has gone about 25, and every time it has corrected more than 10-15%. You should document it, fact. And that's the reason shorting is where the biggest opportunity lies. And all of you now good at shorting. So that's good to see here. Okay. Santosh says, sir, I was reading an article that says Diwali has been a month for the beers. So today is my Jab we met day, nice profits, but let's look at it. Now, let's see here. The price is, it tried to have a breakout. And now if you see here, what is the pattern getting formed here? Who will tell me what is the pattern that the market is forming? It will finish on this pattern today. Very important pattern. Yes, what is the pattern? Harami, yes. It is a bearish Harami. Very good, very good. Who gave me? Anurag gave me from Varanasi. Great, Anurag. Good job. So it is forming on a golden Fibonacci level. It is forming a bearish Harami. And we have seen this is a very high probability pattern that we have. Okay, so from here, What is the likely level it can come down to? Let's go there. And this is the level I have in mind. Somewhere around this level. This is where this move started, retraced, went up. And if you see very clearly now, don't you see a head and shoulder getting formed? Yes, guys, don't you see a head and shoulder getting formed? Right? It's a head and shoulder you are seeing. And if this head and shoulder continues till tomorrow, then the 9,500 target won't be very, far away. Okay. So let's, this is what I'm looking at the market. So the market, and if I go to Bank Nifty, and we saw in the morning, Bank Nifty was actually more bearish than Nifty. In fact, I've made more money in Bank Nifty today than I had made in Nifty. So if you see the Bank Nifty here, Bank Nifty went up, formed a double top, came down, did a Fibonacci retracement. Then, and in Ichimoku, it was giving us a very clearly sell right in the morning. And if I look at Bank Nifty now, Bank Nifty has already broken its trend line. Trend is your friend till it bends at the end. So, more weakness in the bank, and I was analyzing the session today, 11 to 12 for active traders. And there we were looking at all the PSU banks. And all the PSU banks, 90% of them, as the market has gone up in the last 3 months, have they gone up or have they come down? I'll show you. I have it open right here. Let's look at what has happened to the PSU banks. Allahabad Bank, down. Andhra Bank, down. Bank of Baroda, down. Bank India, down. Can Bank, down. IDBI, down. Indian Bank, down. Oriental Bank, down. PNB, down. SBI, down. Syndicate Bank, down. Union Bank, down. So we see each one of them is down now. So this is, what I'm seeing. Weakness has already started coming into the banks. It is coming into various sectors. Our portfolio is doing, by the way, today also it was in profits. But this is another important thing to understand. Even in a bearish market, your undervalued stocks will go up. Okay, let's quickly look at the commodities, then I'll come back here before we close. Aluminum metals are extended up. We were trading yesterday aluminum. If I look at aluminum here, there's already a weakness coming. So we see this is what we were expecting from the overextension. The downward move has started, guys. If I check out aluminum is a simple trade. We already have it. So aluminum, I can take a trade with a stop loss just little above the swing high. Copper is coming down. Let's quickly have a look. Then I think I'll go into aluminum here. Gold on sideways. Lead is another one which is going as per our calculation yesterday. Natural gas. I'm not a big fan of natural gas. Silver, low, higher low, a little up move coming in silver. Zinc is also down and nickel is also moving down. But my trade today would be aluminum. I think that's the one I will take. So sell script. Big trade, it will be automatically squared off in the night. Confirm. And I put my stop loss, I'll put a little high on the swing high at 140 and let the trade flow. Square off. I made money into this yesterday also. So today also I'm making some I hope some more money I'll make on this. The way the trend is going of this one. It is overextended, we know that. Let me just double check my stop loss. That's fine. Okay. Great, guys. So this is the trade I have gone for in alumini. Going back into the market now, I still have two trades going on. Hey, I have not finished. There's one more trade that I have that I'll probably. One is Nifty, 30th of November. I have my stop loss on this at 10,100, and this is a trade I'll carry till tomorrow. This is also as per the strategy that I taught to you in the morning. And in this account, we have already booked about 40,000 here now. And then other one, this book profit, and this also I have one more, but I'll not carry two tomorrow. I'll carry one till tomorrow, and one I can add again tomorrow, and I get out of one and I let one go till tomorrow. So I'll book one more profit, and we see here. So in this account also about 24,235 rupees. One stock that is worth looking at this time is Reliance. Reliance has a bigger up move. We have the results of Reliance, guys. Is it tomorrow or day after tomorrow? When is Reliance result? Can somebody tell me? You can look at the calendar on Trade Tiger. Sometimes you give it fast to me. Okay. So tomorrow, yeah, I thought so. Okay, just 1 minute. I'll just check out the earnings watch here. And if I see next week's earning, yeah, we have Reliance here. This is Reliance that I'm seeing here. Yeah, tomorrow is the result of Reliance. So if you have any position in Reliance, guys, please get out today. Please get out today. Because before results, it is almost like a lottery. You don't know what will come. And after the results, we will do. This is what I did see here. People think it is important only to book profits. No, it is equally important to book losses. I booked here a loss of 9,240 rupees. Why? Because I had two lots. I don't want to carry them till tomorrow. The move that I was expecting today did not happen. And by evening, I booked my losses. Because tomorrow, what if good result comes, it goes up 4%? Right? So that's very, very important to know that you have to book profits, you have to book losses. Both have to be booked here. रोहित says आज सबने प्रॉफिट किया क्योंकि आज मैंने ट्रेड नहीं किया. अरे बाबा. So अब करो रोहित तुम उसको. Stick to the rules. Now, what we are doing is we are working on the strategies. We are live trading them regularly. And you see, this is the possibility with 10 lakh rupees of capital. I use 10 lakh capital, 5 in each. And that's the possibility even on a day, 72,973 rupees. So this is one big profit. My previous big profit day was on 29 September. So this is the first big profit day of this month that I have on this one here. Okay, guys, any stock that you have, you can ask me now. Something do you want to see for tomorrow, guys? Please let me know. I will see it for you. Anything that you have, I still have about 7-8 minutes. We'll close at 3:30. Okay, Bean said, should we buy gold, silver considering current geopolitical scenario? The geopolitical scenario looks okay to me. We have these North Korea guys who, every Friday he will say, I will wage a war. I think he buy put options and then Monday morning he, books profits in them. So for the moment, it looks good to me. Good to me on this. Okay. Anurag, what is your question? So, Anurag say I asked it yesterday. Yeah, no, portfolio we'll see tomorrow, not right now. I don't have time for portfolio in 7 minutes. That will take time. Any swing trade that you want to execute, stay away from Reliance. Okay. Ashwini has a question from Jaipur. That is for a swing, Ashwini. Okay. Nimish says, can I short DHFL? So let's have a look at DHFL and see if he can short DHFL. DHFL. Oh, 5% down. It is already gone. So DHFL, I think what you do, Nimit, is this is an important level for DHFL. Divan Housing Finance Company here. And this level, when it is coming down here, it's already gone down 5%. So not today. Tomorrow, it might just bounce this level a little. Will give you a retracement and wait for this level to be broken down. If it closes below this level, then a swing short can be a possibility in this. Okay. Have I answered you, Nimit? Okay. Any other question you can ask me now? I wanted to review and, those who haven't gone short on Nifty, there is still an opportunity to go short because selling is intensifying now. Let me also look at a put option, let's say, of Nifty. And I'll be looking at a 10,000 put. $10,000 put option is at about 143. Now that's very expensive. Very expensive. I don't think I'll buy that. Okay, so this you also have to see. You have to know when it is cheap and when it is expensive. Out of money would be even more. I add, let's say, out of money option 9800. This is very expensive. Which one is more expensive, guys? 10,000 or 9,800? Who will tell me, Chal? Which one is more expensive? Very good, Beam from Sonipat. 9,800 is damn expensive. Okay. So I'll see tomorrow. Let's see tomorrow. Market will close in about 3 minutes, 4 minutes. And if I look at this market from even bigger point of view, we were looking at it on a daily chart. Let's go a little up on a weekly chart, guys. On a weekly chart, where is the pressure? Look at the weekly last candle and see where is the pressure. Doji, indecisive candle, pressure on the downward side. Yeah, gravestone doji is getting formed. I think this is where the market is saying enough. I need to go down. And if I look at the monthly chart, the monthly uptrend is intact. Monthly uptrend is intact. Right. So this is what is very important to understand, that while others are crying that the market is going down, we are making 73,000. That's why you should, one of the biggest skill you can have is the skill of shorting. How many of you are now comfortable shorting, guys? Trading room students, How many of you are comfortable shorting? You have no problem shorting now. कुछ लोग तो बोलते हैं साहब तो लॉन्ग करने में प्रॉब्लम आता है, शॉर्ट की इतनी आदत हो गई है कि ऊपर का दिखता ही नहीं है, ऐसा लगता है ग्रेविटी के साथ चले जाओ. As I said, people ask me, sir, are you a bull or a bear? तो मैं उनको बोलता हूँ, look at me carefully, I'm a human being. You have to know when you are a bull, when you have to. In our portfolio, even at this valuations of Nifty, aren't we bulls? Aren't we bulls in our portfolio? And even when the market is going down, isn't our portfolio moving up? So you have to know when to be a bull and you have to know when to be a bear. And since we have learned even how to hedge the portfolios, this is the time I would like to see here. This is nicely moving down. And I think I'll take home one more Nifty here. The way the Nifty is moving, but not a Nifty of October. I think I'll short in November. So I'm short 1 October and I'm short 1 November. 2 Nifties I'm short. Looking at the way it is finishing today. So I have 2 Nifties that I have gone short on. One is both are November, sorry. Both are November that I have gone. So here I'll wait a minute. Do I have time? I have time. Confirm. Okay. And one I'll use October. 1 October I am short and 1 November I am short. So one is swing, other is positional. Okay. Great guys. Market about to close in 3, 2, 1 and closed. So more or less our trades going according to our analysis. Booked a nice profit today and the month is turning good now with about 10%. I have a trade going on in aluminium and I have a trade going on in Nifty, and you see this is a very, very important sign that the market has given to us. Okay guys, time for me to stop. And I'll see you again tomorrow morning at 9 and we will do more trading. All the best. See you. And always work with a stop loss.